Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can actually mask items or shapes or whatever it is in your videos in DaVinci Resolve and exactly how you can track them as well. So let's get right into it. Firstly, once you've added your video, you want to go into the color tab. Once you're here, what you want to do is go into the window tab. Once you're here, you want to select any shape that you would like. I'll select this pen shape and I'll just zoom in on my video, move it around a bit using my middle mouse and select this horse's head for example. Now, once I select that, I will mask that and it should mask it all by itself. And you do have these sort of curve nodes that you can edit however you want. And yeah, once that's done, you can rotate it as well, depending on what you want. But that is pretty much done. And now you can either hide it or invert it, do whatever you want with it. And yeah, now you have your mask. Now, if I play the video, as you'll see, the mask will stay in that position and it won't follow the actual horse. What you want to do to actually track that mask is, let me just take it all the way back to the beginning, is go into the tracking tab. Once it's here, what you want to do to actually make it track is make sure it's selected first and then just hit the track forward button, which is sort of this play button. And as you can see, it is tracking the horse's head and it is bouncing around a little bit simply because the horse is turning around and the shape of its head is a bit different. But once it gets to the end, as you can see, it is a bit different. However, you can change it. If you go frame by frame, you can make it track and drag it around with the horse. You just need to select the frame change instead of the clip change. So if you click clip, it'll change it for the entire clip. And you can edit your frames by clicking on frame and then positioning it yourself manually. But that should be pretty much it. And now if I take my video back to the beginning and if I play it, as you can see, the mask is tracking the horse's head perfectly. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.